This is Mark. I'm just sort of here to demonstrate a little bit of the experience from the perspective of an operator working with the Wingman add-on that Ian has been working on for my business, and in how to make our operations a little bit easier, a little bit more smoother. Some of you will be familiar. You'll see on the screen here I've set up sort of 5 jobs in not too far distant order. You'll be familiar with the fact that to allocate and to dispatch a job, you select down here, we'll choose a driver. We'll also choose some arbitrary vehicles out of my list, mainly because they serve a very specific purpose. The integration just means that for all intents and purposes, we just, as a standard, send out emails off to different clients, and to the drivers to give them information about what they're doing and what's going on. So I'll just send a few of these out and we'll see what happens in a minute or two's time when things start to go wrong. And in a moment we're going to start getting some failures because these vehicles are nowhere near the location that they need to be at. And you'll see that an email has just come in and a hooter has gone off, warning us that for some reason, let's go to the BlackBerry, and you'll see that an SMS message has just come through. Ruth may be late for job number XX00018. Have a look in here, there's XX00018, which means it's telling me that there's a problem here. If you go back into the BlackBerry, you will see that they have not entered the largest of the geofences, which is a 9,000 metre geofence. And that's because it's set at my location and the vehicle's about 15 kilometres away. You'll see that another one, XX00016A, has not entered. That's XX00016A. That vehicle has not arrived. You can also see that at the same time an email has arrived that has the most recent position of the driver, so the vehicle's most recent position is located there. If we pull that up, put it back on top of this one, you'll see a location that shows that the vehicle is all the way over here and the pickup location is over there. This is very useful if this information ever needs to be referred back to at a later date. As you probably hear on my computer, I've arranged for it to make a fairly loud audible noise so it can warn me if I'm not sitting directly in front of the computer. I also receive the SMS messages on the phone that says these vehicles may be late. In a minute or so's time, we're going to start having the next round of problems where the operation system again tells me that there's still a problem, that the problem has not been resolved. Okay. You'll just hear that another SMS message and a very loud horn has come off. You'll see another message again has come through here saying Piano, which is the name of the vehicle associated with the job. 000X16A, which is this one here, is still not located inside the geofence, and you'll see that the messages come through on the email as well. The SMS messages that come through are quite succinct, but the email messages again come through and tell me that again that this car is still sitting in a position that I'm not happy with. Still sitting out in Southern River, and now I've only got 7 minutes in which to try and find another vehicle. Okay. There's the hooter. Right. Now we've got a really important warning that one of the vehicles is less than 1 minute away from the pickup location. If we have a look over on the phone, these are the last SMS messages that we get with regards to these. These are a 1,000 metre geofence, and this is that you've got 1 minute. This is when you call the client and you say we've got a problem. So there's a bit of an example of how I use Wingman in my business. I've already had a lot of success, and the system works tirelessly and independently of me to ensure that my business works as well as I could hope for. There are, of course, lots of other features, and also the ability to modify within reason, pretty much at request, as to what you think is appropriate and what you think will work best. So thanks for your time, and I'll come up with some more stuff later. Thank you.